Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and stop emails coming to your email inbox from Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, Temu does have email promotions, which you might be getting on your email address, and there are actually two ways to disable them. The first is just to unsubscribe from the newsletter or from the campaign or whatever it is that you are getting. And for that, you just need to go into your email, enter the latest email from Temu, scroll all the way down in the email, click unsubscribe, and you should be pretty much set from there. However, you can also do that in your account, both on the web version and on the mobile version. On the mobile version, you just need to enter the U tab, which is at the very bottom in the middle. You'll see a silhouette of a person, and it says you. Just click on there, and then afterwards click on the cog or whatever it is in the top right, where it'll take you to the settings. Now, once you're done with that, then you can actually go to your notification settings. On the web version, you just hover over your orders and account, go all the way down, click on notifications, and then you can start managing your notifications. What you need to do: under promotions, you'll see SMS, email, and WhatsApp. You'll see chat messages or chat message alerts on your email as well. And you'll get order updates on email, which I do recommend you keep on. I have it off simply because I haven't bought anything yet. But if you want to disable promotions, just go here, click on edit next to the promotions, and make sure that the email tab is disabled, that it's grayed out and all the way to the left. And once that's done, it'll save automatically, and that should be pretty much it, and you shouldn't get any emails anymore. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.